what's up with you? What's poppin'? How you doing? I'm doing great and thank you for asking. Today's video is going to be a install / review type of video. This is a braided wig, y'all. Yes, a wig. Like, look at how natural this thing look. Are you kidding me? This is so bomb. I am just in love with it. I'm in love, y'all. But yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all how I installed it and everything about this unit, all the specs you'll need to know. And yeah, you guys, so if you guys want to keep on watching, then keep on watching, and I'll talk to you guys in a second. This is how the wig looks. It's so cute, really detailed. The frontal looks like it's already been plucked and bleached. Like, this is like everything you could ask for. I don't have to do anything but cut the lace off, you guys. I have not had braids since literally 9th grade. So now I'm gonna put this on. Like I said, I just cut off the lace. Do you guys see how good this frontal is looking, guys? Like, heck, this looks so cool. I'm just going to go in and tint my wig cap. I don't like doing the ball cap method anymore just because it doesn't last long. And I like something that lasts long, and that does not. I'm gonna be trying to put enough of this on. I usually don't cut baby hair, but since this is a braid wig, I'm going to see if it makes a difference in the natural part of it. This is the turnout. It was really simple and not too much to do. Yeah, you guys, I love this unit. 28 to 30 inches, I believe. So yeah, I think I'm gonna add some like accessories to this to make it a little bit more interesting to look at. But yeah, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big old thumbs up. I'll talk to you guys all later. Bye.
Last girl signed in the divorce so wet. Now focus on me about the offload. We just tryna make the whole crowd go nuts. What? We don't know no one like you. Gold grills and you dance like Michael. No ice, no Swiss, no typos. Look, wait. We just wanna make you go psycho. Put $100,000 in the Bible.